If you want to be able to take a screenshot with the back tap gesture on your Motorola smartphone, first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in settings we're gonna search for gestures, and then in here in gestures you can try to find the quick launch option. If your Motorola has the quick launch option, maybe it's called just tap back or something similar to that, and then you can also customize it and you can choose what should happen when you perform that double tap on the back of the phone. And of course we want to make sure that take screenshot option is selected. After that you should be able to double tap the upper side of the phone. Usually the 1/3 of the upper side is the area where you can double tap in order to activate the gesture. So let's see if it's gonna work for me. I'm just gonna double tap and there we go. Usually I tap over here like actually quite a bit above of the Motorola logo. In my case, in the case of this specific model, I tap it over here right next to the corner of these cameras. In some other, of course, models, you may need to tap on a slightly different position, but usually you have to just double tap in order to make it work. There we go. What I can also recommend you to do is go back to these settings. Let me actually change the screen rotation. There we go. And if you go to these settings, you can also adjust the tap strength. Usually you probably want to use the gentle tap, but you can also tap on try it out in order to then see where you have to double tap in order to make it work. So if you keep tapping in different areas, then you should be able to see if you tap correctly in the proper spot. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.